Alber Elbaz was an Israeli fashion designer. He was the creative director of Lanvin in Paris from 2001 until 2015, after having done stints at a number of other fashion houses, including Geoffrey Beene, Laroche, and Yves Saint Laurent. He founded the Richemont-backed label Arizona factory in 2019. Alber Elbaz was born in Casablanca, Morocco, to a Moroccan Jewish family. Elbaz's mother, Algeria, was a painter and his father, Meyer, a hairdresser. He immigrated to Israel with his family at the age of 10 and grew up in the city of Holon. Elbaz's father died when Albert was a teenager, and his mother became a cashier to support her 4 children. Elbaz later served as a soldier in the Israel Defense Forces and subsequently studied at the Schenker College of Engineering and Design in Ramat Gan, Israel. His mother encouraged Elbaz's early interest in fashion and gave him $800 when he left home for New York City in 1985 to pursue fashion professionally. Arriving in New York, Elbaz first worked for a bridal firm, then trained over the course of 7 years as a senior assistant to Geoffrey Beene. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.